This is exercise 21f, question 39. We're trying to get worded questions into an equation and solve from there. So we have the sides of a rectangle are x centimeters and 3 centimeters. The perimeter is 24. So if x is the length, then it'll be x on top and bottom, and if 3 is the height, it'll be 3 on the left and the right. The perimeter is 24. So if I want to get that into an equation, I know to get the perimeter, we have to add all those together. So if I was to add those, I would have 2x's, and I would have a 6. So 2x plus 6 equals the perimeter, which is 24. If I was really spelling that out, I could write that as x is one side, x is another side, 3 is the left, 3 is the right, and that equals 24. But that simplifies and can be written as this left-hand side here. And then to solve this equation, we can subtract 6 from both sides to give 2x equals 24 minus 6, which is your 18. And then we can, from there, divide by the number of x's, which is 2. So x is 18 divided by 2, which is 9. And you can check that. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. So that's correct.